Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that ShapeShift, which is a crypto trading pioneer. It's closing its doors and handing over its legacy to a decentralized autonomous organization, so DAO, controlled by holders of its Fox token. And you can see also Fox token going up. Let's talk about that. The second thing I want to talk about is that green BTC Bitfarms production is up 50% after China ban. So some farms are actually getting the advantage of this crackdown, China crackdown. And also the third news is Dolce and Gabbana is about to launch an exclusive NFT collection. So NFT is getting into the fashion world. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to keep yourself up to date, which is very important in this volatile market, then you should definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom. Hit the subscribe button, bell button, and that's it. And then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out, which I'm putting on YouTube every weekday. And then definitely check out the links under this video, links you can save money with, and also a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Very useful, especially for beginners, but not just for beginners. And now it's time to move on to the market and check out the prices. We can see that Bitcoin is up a bit more than 1%. Price is $32,364 US dollar at the present. Ethereum is just under $2,000, $1,952, which is about a 3% increase, a bit less. And when we're looking at the winners, we see X Infinity continues its growth, 37% up in 7 days, 101%. Flow, 24% up, 21% in 7 days. Engine, you can see Decentraland, all these guys, NFT world leading right now the chart in the top 100. When we're looking at the losers, we see at the top Celsius minus 6%, FTX token down 4%, and Decreed minus 3%. But as you can see, rather we have some increase in altcoins, and still sideways movements when we're looking at the Bitcoin. Look, well, Bitcoin, this is here the 4-hour chart. We can see here a falling wedge a little bit, which could turn out to be a bullish pattern. As you know, it can go here upwards, but this is just a theory, because do not forget that we are in a downtrend. And sometimes, you know, your trend is your friend, so it can definitely go down. And don't forget, if it's crossing this level, which we had before, this kind of 28,000, and it was under 30, it can easily go further down. So maybe this trend hasn't found its bottom yet. You know, we were talking about that this could be the spring in this Wyckoff model, but then what's happening here, guys? We should act in a different direction. So if this wasn't the spring, then maybe the spring is still need to come, and this means a newer low point. So we will see. However, let's talk about some bullish things. And on Twitter, I found this. It was posted by the Moon, and the stock to flow model. And actually, he pointed out, which is actually a good point, that we can see that these periods, I mean the cycle periods, as you're reaching the highest point of the bull market, it's getting longer and longer. Here we were in this kind of yellow color back in end of 2013. In the next one, we went a little bit into greenish already, so it took a bit longer. And right now we are in this yellow phase, haven't even touched the green area. We never ever see a top bull market in this orange color. Look, even here back in 2013, it went up, it came back, and then it continued. And in the same year, we have seen nice new tops. So when we're looking at this, we can say that this game is not over, and easily this one can go between this blue and green area. Let's see this kind of color, and this could be, you know, maybe somewhere here. And until that, we still have time to go up and actually reach new highs. Therefore, I think the chance is still there that the second part of the year, end of the year, we still can look bullish, even that we have this kind of summer what we have right now. And another important thing when we're thinking about long term, and this one was posted by Laura Davis. I really like this one because there are several of them on the internet, but it really shows what the whole point is with Bitcoin and this against this inflation. Because here we can see back in 1998, you had a $20 bill and you can fit quite a lot in your trolley when you went shopping. And this, by the years, grew, the products in your trolley decreased. And now, well, not saying empty, and here we have a Donald Trump one, but you got the point, you know, it's like probably a $20 bill, you can get some little thing. On the other hand, back in 2012, you could shop something with 1 Bitcoin. We could buy more in 2013. You could put full your trolley definitely back in 2014. And, well, you name it, it doesn't have to be this car. Anyway, the point is that you can buy a nice car with your Bitcoin in 2021, obviously when it was higher at $65,000 US dollar, then definitely a nicer car than now. But it's still, it can get you a car and not just a trolley. So this is the important thing to understand. The money, the fiat money, the value of it, it's just going down. On the other hand, Bitcoin, it's good against inflation, and actually doesn't matter when we look the short time period. Like, who cares what's happening in a couple of months when you're looking at the whole big picture since 2009 until today, what you can see. You can see a significant increase. So if this is the way we're going, definitely Bitcoin can save you a lot in the future. Not financial advice, I just wanted to show you because I found it very interesting. And now let's move on to the first news. And the first news is all about very interesting things that ShapeShift, it's moving, which is, you know, a company, to become a decentralized autonomous organization. And it's an interesting way, what's happening right now. But this could be maybe the future for many companies. So let's talk about it. What we can see recently, definitely, that DeFi is getting big. These all kind of decentralized things look like they're working quite well and taking over the centralized things what we have got used to so far in many, many areas and cases. And now we have here ShapeShift, which is about to shut down. And, it's moving into the decentralized direction. So crypto trading pioneer ShapeShift is closing its doors, handing over its legacy to decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, controlled by holders of its Fox token. Well, talking about Fox, check out the Fox token. After this announcement, bang, it went up. Actually, you can see it here. It went up recently more than 200%. So because of this announcement. As it begins a month-long process for closing up shop, it will begin by airdropping, and this is just like an estimated number, $98 million in crypto decentralized finance investors across multiple blockchains. The company was founded by Eric Voorhees back in 2014, and currently it's employing 65 people. ShapeShift will have no employees in the future, no bank accounts, and no CEO in somewhere between 4 and 12 months time, according to Voorhees. So many companies in crypto build decentralized protocol but leave the business standing that takes part in certain profit atop their blockchain creation. Calling the move through decentralization, Voorhees said ShapeShift is going to step further. And to get more people involved in this new incarnation of the ShapeShift project, it will airdrop 340 million Fox token at all past users of ShapeShift, around 900,000 addresses, and 120,000 addresses on several well-known DeFi protocols. So also because of DeFi. So it's very interesting what's happening here, becoming from a centralized company, as most of them are, of course, moving to a decentralized one. And in an interview, Eric was saying that basically they don't want to do this whole kind of KYC thing. Therefore, they decided, because they believe most of the people are not for it. Therefore, they're moving into the DeFi, decentralized finance direction, kind of actually avoid it. So they think this is rather the future, and even for a company, it's in a big shift if you think about. Look, normal company, you know how it works. I don't have to break it down for you. And now, no CEO, no bank accounts, no employees. Well, interesting. So we'll see how other companies might follow them, and how this transfer will, play out. But interesting moves. Okay, next news. And the next news is all about that green BTC miner Bitfarms producing actually up 50% Bitcoin after this China ban. So some of them here are making some profit because of Chinese crackdown. Well, it's an interesting way how things turn out. We had this big China FUD back in June, last month, switching off many miners, Bitcoin miners, so they couldn't continue because of this China ban. But in other part of the world, we do have winners of this situation. Here we go. Green BTC miner Bitfarms production is up, by the way, 50% after the China ban. So Bitfarms is producing more Bitcoin at lower cost due to the drop in difficulty. Because you do know that the difficulty went down like 28%. This was like a significant drop in difficulty. And actually, it helps a lot, of course, to mine Bitcoin. So publicly traded North American Bitcoin mining company Bitfarms has doubled its productivity this year, aimed to Chinese crackdown and resultant miner migration. The Canadian hydroelectricity mining outfit claims to be currently powering estimate of 1.5% of the entire Bitcoin network. So it's not like a major percentage of it, but with more than 99% renewable green energy. And this is the main point, and 99% is renewable green energy. It has projected the production of more than 400 Bitcoin for the month of July. So this is what they believe they're going to produce this month, which would be double 199 it mined in January. So 6 months later, because of this new situation, they actually mining double that much. Bitfarms founder and CEO Emiliano Grodzki is saying that reports indicate that ban on crypto mining in China and exodus of mining rigs seeking new hosting may take an extended period of time to resolve. Bitfarms is well positioned to take advantage of the significantly improved economic opportunity. Yes, they had the opportunity because they had to stop in China to mining. Now they, it takes time to them to find a new place, set up the whole machines, restart, and some of them have actually stopped. However, they can say, okay, well, we're still working, the difficulty level is lower, then they are now pedal to the floor and then mine as much as we can. And this is what they're doing. So it wasn't bad for everybody. Okay, next news. The next one, it's a little bit about NFT and fashion world, because Dolce and Gabbana announced the first, NFT exclusive collection. they come out with, and I'm going to talk about that. NFTs are getting definitely bigger and bigger, and it's spreading to all part of the different kind of industries. Look, this one is, by the way, Dolce and Gabbana about to launch of an exclusive NFT collection. Dolce and Gabbana announced the first in line of NFTs in partnership with luxury marketplace UNXD, and fashion and luxury brand Dolce and Gabbana has announced the launch of an exclusive NFT collection in collaboration, as I said, with UNXD, a digital marketplace powered by the Polygon network, which hopes to become an exclusive marketplace for digital luxury and culture. The fashion brand debut NFT collection will be named, well, put it in English, Genesis Collection. Dolce & Gabbana will feature the collection at its upcoming shows for Alta Moda and so on and so forth in Venice at the end of August. The collection focuses on the deep-rooted artistic tradition of Venice, according to the release. Dolce & Gabbana's NFT is not the first in the high-end fashion to get involved in the NFT market. Designer involved with the Paris Fashion Week will have a few NFTs available, with Gucci rumored to be joining the NFT space as well. Even the prices for many cryptocurrencies drop, NFT has remained strong. And as you can see now, when I showed you the winners of the last 24 hours, it's all about NFTs in the top 100 projects related to NFTs. So very, very interesting thing. And I think NFTs can have a great future. Right, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, like this video if you think this content is valuable for you. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday. The only thing you have to do, subscribe, bell button, all, and then you get in the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Tomorrow, I'm back with the freshest news. Have a good one. Bye-bye.